Hakajingat lenti siya ke eleksyon nong tau anj ke yung dorbar ke jela Meghalaya kaban long hak arpenyo trik urempang arjar pulai. Ke National People's Party hak arpulai trik kula lengkot arjar pulai kelas dang ke jingelap eleksyon na adogre kabahap akar kuta konstituensi jong karilum garo. Hak ni ke jingelang lawan banya don langru daki kertong na rilum khasi bat jaintia na lor ki badai na rilum garo. Ke NPP kanya konyak eleksyon MLA arjar pulai dak bapenyeng sanpu prangot ki kertong. Habakran kene jingelang u National President ke NPP u Conrad sangma u badai ru menteri rang ba ke jela Meghalaya u la phak khubor sa chairperson jong ke All India Trinamool Congress ke Mamata Banerjee ba ki pynïasoh bat ka kin sa pet no tang hadien ke election MLA arja arpulai.
Why we joined NPP way back in 2018 is because of him. And we are here to make a pledge before all of you that his footprints will continue through all generations.
Madam Mamata Banerjee, that many leaders have joined you today. Many leaders from different political parties have joined the TMC. But let me tell you, and this is not Conrad Sangma saying it, this is the word in the market. And you can ask anybody, you have a lot of people in different networks. They will tell you that most of these leaders who have joined the TMC today have already planned to leave the TMC after the elections. They are already in contact with different political parties. They are already talking to many people. I am not saying this. This is the word in the market, in the political circle. It is my duty to give you a warning if I hear this kind of news. And it is true. So the question is, will you want to work the way you are planning to and invest knowing that all these people will ultimately leave you after election and they are already in touch with different political parties? Please find out for yourself. Ang agiskra nga riyang pa election rango PA sangma sagi pangnan bini election campaign ko ya feel donin abat singat atsim. Unegaman namin ansing sakkan sinan ya sal ya some aro ya biap namin emotional nga. Piesang ma sagi Kharkucha area ni mandirang na aro dengtang mancha dokri area ni mandirang na biya namin kasatsim. Aro dokri area ni aro Kharkucha jol ni mandirang ba binaba namin kasatsim. Panga development ang ko biya kaanga ha. Aro jirang kun biya dakna matnang jaha. Yarang ko biya bini follower ang na. Bini leader ang na. Bini jatman jat ko song ko. Dalang parang nabiya. Lakon skido nang aha. Aro da alo biniya magsungan niyo. Kharkucha aro dokri area dengtang na abat cenging jok. Ya bak nga development rang kuat sing da alo naknamat ning aha. Unegaman Kharkucha area ni aro dokri ni mandirang mamag saloba. PA sangma sagiko gwalamat Jawa ani ang abibira.